Welcome to Medcare News, where we break down the latest updates and important information about Medicare so you can make smarter healthcare decisions. Today we're talking about a common belief among seniors that Medicare Advantage plans are always the cheaper option. But the reality may be more complicated than many people expect. Let's take a closer look. Medicare Advantage plans are offered by private insurance companies approved by Medicare. These plans must provide at least the same basic coverage as original Medicare, but many of them also include additional benefits such as dental coverage, vision care, prescription drug coverage, and fitness or wellness programs. Some plans even advertise very low monthly premium, and in some areas, premiums can be as low as $0. Because of these extra benefits and low premiums, many people assume Medicare Advantage is automatically the more affordable choice. But that's not always the full picture. While premiums may be low, Medicare Advantage plans often include other out-of-pocket costs that can add up over time. These may include co-payments for doctor visits, deductibles before coverage begins, and co-insurance for certain medical services. If someone needs frequent medical care or special visits, these additional costs can sometimes become significant. Another factor to consider is provider networks. Most Medicare Advantage plans operate with a limited network of doctors and hospitals. If you visit a provider outside that network, the cost could be much higher, or the service might not be covered at all. One advantage of Medicare Advantage plans is that they include an annual out-of-pocket spending limit. This means there's a cap on how much you may have to pay for covered services in 1 year. However, that limit can still reach several $1,000s, which could be difficult for some retirees on a fixed income. Original Medicare doesn't include this cap, but many people choose Medigap supplemental plans to help cover those extra costs. The key takeaway is this: Medicare Advantage isn't automatically cheaper for everyone. The best option depends on several personal factors, including your health needs, your preferred doctor, prescription medication, and your expected healthcare usage. Original Medicare offers great flexibility, allowing you to visit any doctor nationwide who accepts Medicare. Medicare Advantage, on the other hand, may offer extra benefits and lower premiums, but with network restrictions and varying out-of-pocket costs. Before choosing a plan, it's important to compare all costs and benefits carefully so you can select the coverage that fits your healthcare needs and budget. If you want more Medicare updates, tips, and benefit news, make sure to subscribe to the Medcare channel and stay informed. And if you need help understanding your Medicare options, the Medcare team is here to help.